my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can convert your T-top to an alternate and sexy neck top. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below, give me a thumbs up, share and comment on this video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we are going to, this is our T-top. We are going to fold it. Guys, can you see what I'm doing? You have to fold the hand like this, then fold the other hand like this, and stop exactly at the down part of the armhole. And we are going to pin. Guys, after pinning your clothes, you are going to measure where you want your neck to start. So here I will minus 3 inches from mine. So from my armhole I have to connect and give it like half an inch so that it will not reach that 3 inches. So guys, your front pattern is done. We have to cut out. Remove the pin. Guys, if you want to cut the front neck, don't start at the back, start guys, this is our front. Then the back, you have to know what you want to do at the back of your alternate top. Is it going to be backless, or is it going to have stripe, or be the same as this? So what we are going to do is we are going to fold this into two. If you want your front to be the same as the back, all you have to do is cut from here. But if you want it to be like, if you want the back to be a show back, all you have to do is fold here inside and cut out here. The next thing that we are going to do here is, if you like, you can carve out, or you can allow it to remain here. So what I will do is to carve out the neck. So the next thing that I'm going to do is sew here. Guys, can you see that our alternate neck has been formed already? Cut out some inches like here. If you like, you cut here out. Here, I will fix this here like 3 inches and not more than 3 inches. See you guys in our next video. Bye. Love you guys. What do you guys think about this conversion redesign? How I converted my T-top to my alternate neck top. See the back, how the back looks like.